Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author. Welcome to my craft room, and today is Sewing Talk Tuesday. So, Sewing Talk Tuesday is a place where we get together once a week on Tuesdays and we discuss things that I've worked on in the craft room or things that are in progress, projects that are in progress. Let's see if I can talk today. It is Tuesday after all, right? So I'm going to share with you some things today that I have in the works or things that I've purchased, things that are going to be helpful for you in your sewing or your quilting or craft room or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to talk about is I went ahead and I did a video showing you how to prepare and cut fabric for the quilt that we are working on. I posted a video on that last Thursday, and I will also link it here in this video so that you can check that out. I did have a couple of questions about these squares, and so I'm gonna address it here. First of all, these are 5.5 inch squares. That is what we are using in this particular baby quilt that we are making. You are more than welcome to use a charm pack for this if that's what you have on hand. These were cut from fat quarters. Please understand that if it's a simple pattern, you can do that. I am using this and showing how to cut so that others who are learning how to sew can know how to cut, prepare their fabric, sew it together, and whatnot. So I hope that clears up any confusion about what size the squares need to be. Use a charm pack if you have one on hand, it's fine. If you have yardage and you want to cut it up, that's fine. If you have a fat quarter, that's fine. You can cut it to 5 inches, you can cut it to 4 inches. You can cut the squares whatever size you want. Just understand that it's not going to turn out to be the same size as the quilt that I'm showing you how to make with the 5.5 inch squares. It's just not that big of a deal. Okay? All right. I'm glad we got that cleared up. So this is the quilt that I am talking about, the baby quilt that I have made and that we are making together. And I want to make sure I'm going to show this to you right side up. I've got it right. So this is the baby quilt, and it's really, really cute. And I showed a picture of it last week on the quilt wall during Sewing Talk Tuesday. I did go ahead and finish it. I showed it in the video so that you knew, in Thursday's video, so that you knew exactly what we were going to make. I straight lined quilted it. I did the binding around it. So I'm going to teach you how to do everything to make this beautiful little quilt. That's why we have the 5.5 inch squares. Next up, it was kind of a crazy week. So I did a lot of shopping. So Joann's had their cozy quilt, country quilt, hold on. I can't remember, but they had their solids on sale, and they were $1.76 a yard. So I bought the rest of the bolts on this one. This beautiful pink fuchsia color. This blue. This peach. I'm gonna run out of room. And this pink, and these were just on the bolt fabrics that I got. I hope you can see how pink that is. It's really pretty. I love it. Love it, love it. And I'm gonna set those over there. I also purchased even more. So the week before it was the flannels, and I purchased these because I'm stocking up my my Etsy store. So, and I'm going to be putting baby bibs in there and all kinds of stuff. So once I have that all set up and ready to go, I will let you guys know in case you're interested. I got this really cute glittery bumblebee fabric. I love it. I had to have that because I love it and it has glitter on it. Anything with glitter is good. I got some more solid red. These are all 3-yard cuts. This really nice yellow. This blue. This green. A really bright yellow. Purple. Black. And blue. And then they had fat quarters on sale for 76 cents, so I got a couple fat quarters. These are adorable. They have a little monster print on them. I had to pick up. I love those. They're so cute. And then they had them in the blue. And then they have them in this like blue, red, and green. And then I got some of this orange Bronco colors. Huge Broncos fan, guys, right here. And then we have just these really cute pinks, which I thought would be really cute with our little girls' quilt. So that's my latest find. The total price for all of this fabric, and there's like 10 yards on most of those bolts that I purchased. I think I spent about $80. So that's that. Not too shabby, right? Tons of fabric. I didn't add up how many yards I had this time. I just didn't have the energy to do that. So I did buy a new, I don't even know what to call it really. Cam snap pliers. I know I talked about one that I purchased a while back. I've just not had any luck with it, especially when I'm making baby bibs. I've ruined so many of them just because I can't get the little snaps even. So I went ahead and bought a professional grade one yesterday. So when that comes in, I'll show you what that looks like. It's pretty cool because the little snaps actually snap in up top so that it holds it in place for you, and then you press down with the press. It's heavy and it's bigger than what, you know, the handhelds are, but I think it's going to be really great because then I won't be messing up and wasting, you know, fabric because I keep messing up. So there's that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this box. I know that not everybody has an AccuQuilt. I was quickly reminded of that the other day. And that's okay. You don't need one. But I have one and I love it. And I know there are some of you on here that also have AccuQuilts. So if you're interested, I want to show you what I got. So, and they always package everything so nicely in here. I love it. So this is, I got some extra mats to go over my my dies. I got some more 10x10s because I'm really going through them. AccuQuilt was actually having a pretty good sale, so that's why I went ahead and bought these. I'm excited to use this one. This is another rag quilt die. This one has 2 dies on it, and it's a 5 1/4 inch rag square. The one that we made was 8 1/2 inches. And then I finally broke down and I purchased the 2 1/2 inch strip cutter. So it'll be 2 inches finished. So I am excited about this one because I can use it for bindings. For bindings. I thought I could get away with the 1 1/2 inch. It's just too small for me to work with, so I went ahead and did that. And it does save my hands a lot from all the cutting. So as I told you on Thursday, I do have arthritis in my hand, so the AccuQuilt has actually been quite a lifesaver for that because I love to sew and make quilts, and it gets really hard on your hands sometimes when you're having a marathon cutting session. So that is all that I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. I have a private Facebook group if you would like to join that. We share projects in there. We ask questions. Everybody is very helpful. You get some really great ideas in there. So feel free to join my group. Make sure you answer the questions that are required in order to get in the group. I do read those responses because I want to make sure that we only have people who are interested in our group in the group. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And keep on crafting. And I will see you this week to start putting our blocks together on our quilt. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.